You're going to love the 2010 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include remote keyless entry, automatic dimming door mirrors, skid plates, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, a 10-gigabyte hard drive, and 5 optimally placed speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.